What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Spark Gap Garage. We have not been posting a lot of videos lately because a lot of things have been happening. We are sorry about that, but look at this. Missing a nice ugly box on the front. You can tell that. Look at that. And look at that. Look at it. Just freaking look at it. That right there is my 12,000 pound Badland winch. Nicely bolted in, wired fully, toolbox, no ugly box on the front. Let's pop this open. There she is. Don't mind the mess. It's actually quite organized compared to what it was. Got the ground wire and power wire going to a kill switch. Turn that on. We got out and in. You're like, you're supposed to be putting tension on this.
Are you sure about that?
Hold on. So quite a bit has changed since last posting the last video on this car hauler. This used to be a camper, and obviously it looks nothing like it. So I'm gonna do a before when I first bought it to this. So this is like a year plus in the making, and let me tell you, it has come a very long way, and I am very well impressed with how it's turned out. So without the box on the front, I've noticed that it actually tows so much better compared to obviously with the ugly box on the front. One, it looked like a crack shack. It was my crack shack, not yours, mine. But I didn't want to make the neighbors too mad, and they're like, ooh, what is that, brother? So obviously I had to tear it down. Now you're probably questioning, is that legal? Yes, it is technically legal. However, no box in the front. How is it, it's not a camper then, right? Well, I can actually get away with it because the frame is still the trailer. So, and it's actually titled as a recreational trailer. This is recreational use, not for hire, all that legal jargon, blah, 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 blah. So awesome. Towing down the road, I was getting, probably like 6 to 7 miles per gallon with that ugly box on the front. Plus, midnight special I no longer have, but it was terrible. Absolutely terrible towing it. Plus, throw wind in there, even worse. Towing this now, I'm getting closer to 14, 15 miles per gallon, which way better, plus a lot lighter. And then in about a week or so, when I get my new race car, hint, we're going to be getting a new race car, and it's going to be a whole lot better towing it. Like I said at the beginning of the video, guys and gals, a lot of things have been happening, therefore we couldn't really post a whole lot of videos, and we would like to apologize. So we're going to be doing more videos after I get the new race car. I'm not going to spoil what it is, and you're going to be like, ugh. No, I'm just joking. It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of content that's going to be happening. Very much looking forward to it. So definitely stick around for the next couple, probably about a week or so, when we kind of plan things out a little bit better as far as getting the car, and then actually getting the car, and then we'll do the reveal of the car. So that was a lot of blah, 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 blah. You're like, shut up. I'm sorry. So definitely, hopefully you guys come back when we start posting more videos. Give it about a week, and then we'll start doing more and more videos. So thank you so much for watching this episode of Spark Gap Garage. We look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Thank you so much.